So what do manufacturers need to do in order to ensure these MEAs work, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of them? Well, IAAs, or innovative agreements, really allow us to expand access opportunities by helping to address payers' concerns earlier. They allow us sometimes to put compatibility in place for future indication launch, and it also allows us to generate real world evidence. For example, if we launch in a market with data strong, such as France or the Nordics, we can then use this data from the early launch to provide value in other markets. Some of the disadvantages that these things can be complicated and timely to put in place, and they can also be costly for a company, and failure to deliver on these commitments is also key. So I think having good data extrapolation, understanding what those health economics look like early, is really important. One final case study is Zolgensma. This is completely novel, where Novartis agreed a one-off payment for a 10-year treatment of a product. They worked very closely with the payers to offer 5-year payment offerings and also outcomes-based agreements. Again, this bypassed NICE by agreeing this deal. And this is a very rare disease, limited evidence, but I think it's an example of what can be done if you collaborate well with the agencies up front. And it's yet to be seen whether this type of deal can be replicated.
Oliver, we got to jump off, so last comments, please, if you don't mind.
Sure, this is the last slide. So really, the key things here are, being able to define value early, to be able to work with health systems to demonstrate value and affordability, to be able to generate real world evidence, and for companies to be willing to take some share of this risk. And I think all these models, the outcomes-based agreements, Netflix, the one-day model, and this early engagement with payers and HTAs are really the way forward. And it's really up to companies to be able to and willing to put their money where their mouth is with some of these deals. So thank you very much, and happy to take any questions.